1. 1 apple. Look, here's 1 apple. Can you say 1 with me? 2. 2 cows. Look, we have 2 cows in the field. Can you say 2 with me? 2 cows. 3. 3 balloons. Look at these 3 beautiful balloons flying in the sky. Can you say 3? 3 balloons. 4. 4 frogs. Here are 4 frogs jumping in the pond. Can you say 4? 4 frogs. 5. 5 apples. Look, here are 5 delicious apples on the table. Can you say 5? 5 apples. 6 ducks having fun. Let's keep counting. 7. 7 stars. Look at these 7 shining stars in the sky. Can you say 7? 7 stars. 8. 8 flowers. Look at these 8 beautiful flowers blooming in the garden. Can you say 8? 8 flowers. 9. 9 fish. Look, here are 9 fish swimming in the pond. Can you say 9? 9 fish. 10. 10 butterflies. Look at these 10 butterflies fluttering in the air. Can you say 10? 10 butterflies.